Let's turn plain bags into some really fun boo bags or Halloween themed bags. For this project, I'm using my Crossover 2 die cutting machine and a bunch of fun brand new dies from Maker's Movement. So as you can see there, I'm just putting the dies on the vinyl. The white one you see is heat set vinyl, and the colorful ones are all different varieties of vinyl from StyleTech Craft. I like using the glitter vinyl, so I get some fun shine, but without all that shed. So as you can see, I've die cut different shapes, and I'm using the transfer tape to just peel and stick the images on these cute bags. I'm going to add one last glittery spider, and then this bag is done. So cute, isn't it? Now let's make some fabric bags. So with these, I'm using the heat transfer vinyl, and I've weeded the vinyl. The shine you see there is the kind of like cover plastic. And then I'm going to use my heating tool to just iron those right on to the fabric. After that, all I have to do is peel off that cover plastic, and that's it. My bag's done. How cute are these? And it's so easy and quick to make. These will be great for party favors, giving out to trick-or-treaters, or just cute little boo bags to leave for coworkers or people you like. For this last bag, I'm using shaker sprinkles from Maker's Movement, which is possibly one of my favorite things that they make. But that's hard to say because they make so many cute things. I'm also using their foam tape, which is double-sided, and then these clear acetate sheets. It looks blue, but that's just the protective film. Then I'm using the Tricks and Treats sprinkles. The clear plastic is really easy to work with. You can die cut it. You might have seen me do that in other projects. With this one, it's just a basic square. So I'm using a bag that already has a clear opening. So that makes this so much easier. I just need to cut the plastic that'll go behind this. So I've cut it slightly larger than the square. See, I'm putting it on top of the bag just to make sure I've got the right size. And then I have cut some of the double-sided foam strips to make a frame around that plastic. This way, once I've got my sticky foam frame ready, I can just fill this up with shaker sprinkles and then tape it behind that opening to make a cute shaker bag. Have fun crafting and creating your own bags for Halloween.